Features of embedded C++. Embedded C++ is a subset of C++ which omits certain features of C++ that increase memory requirements and decrease execution speed. This is because embedded systems have limited memory and real-time embedded systems must meet strict deadlines. Embedded C++ retains the most valuable features of C++ that simplify software development. These features are as follows. The first feature of embedded C++ is the use of classes. As you know, a class in C++ is the building block that leads to object-oriented programming. It is a user-defined data structure declared using the keyword class that has data and functions as members. Classes can allocate memory for variables and can initialize them. The next important feature is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a feature in which one function can react differently when invoked by different objects. An example is operator overloading. It is a kind of polymorphism which allows the programmer to give new definitions to existing operators. Another useful feature is encapsulation. It is a feature in which data is bound to the functions that use them. This is done through classes. Outside classes cannot directly access the data belonging to a class. Data encapsulation leads to data hiding. The next important feature is inheritance. It is the feature in which derived classes can inherit the attributes from a parent class. Scope-bound resource management or resource acquisition is initialization. This feature is useful while working with semaphores, mutexes, critical sections, sockets, etc. Here, resource management logic is contained within the class. This is done using constructors and destructors. The use of these features makes sure that the resources that are taken up by an object is released correctly. This is an important feature in embedded system design. Resource acquisition and cleanup are separated from the core logic. Stronger type checking. This feature greatly reduces the probability of bugs. Another feature of embedded C++ is the use of constant declarations. They save RAM space since they can be stored in the program memory. Other than the features we discussed above, embedded C++ has a bigger toolbox. Hence, it is suitable for bigger projects. Also, embedded C++ uses libraries that are optimized so that code generated is smaller. The above discussed features are features of C++ that are retained in embedded C++. There are some features of C++ that are avoided in embedded C++. These include multiple inheritance, templates, namespaces, exceptions, etc. Runtime type identification is also avoided in C++. These features have been omitted since they take up more memory. Also, some of these features can make execution speed non-deterministic. This has to be avoided because real-time embedded systems must have deterministic execution speeds. Another important point is the use of an embedded C++ compiler. Advantages of eC++ code can be achieved completely only if the compiler is an embedded C++ compiler rather than a regular C++ compiler.